I'm a big believer that wireless connectivity is truly like a highway. You build a highway, you're going to connect things in places and magic happens.
For us, neutral host was basically the icing on the cake of successful private 5G implementation. After the switch in 2-3 weeks, we were able to make a neutral host up and running.
One of the biggest challenges we have is we don't have good cell phone coverage in our buildings. So in the past, we put in distributed antenna systems, and they've been very, very costly. And so we said there's got to be a better way. And that's how we came across Celona, and it's working beautifully. And now we're going to put some pressure and continue to work with Verizon, hopefully get them on this year, and continue to see those numbers increase from the operator standpoint.
For me, if you ask me cost benefit, it was a no-brainer. We actually did the private cellular network solution to fix and to solve wireless challenges that we had in the facility. I heard about neutral host that when we started to deploy the private cellular network with Celona. Found it very interesting because we tried earlier to fix those problems in the plant with a signal booster, and also we looked at DAS. Was very pricey and was not making any sense for us.
When we had the ability then to have the neutral host network and actually got rid of it, old technology, got rid of the DAS at a much better cost. Plus I get now the benefit of 5G. So we have started looking now, we are taking a lot of our clinical workflows and we're actually moving them onto the 5G network.
We've been focusing a lot on the value to the enterprise, but I think it is so important to recognize the value that this brought to the mobile operator themselves. Fundamentally, just by allowing innovation to happen at a more distributed level, they are getting a great customer user experience, honestly at $0.
One thing we haven't even talked about is I really think this type of solution, there's a sustainability play here too that we haven't talked about. And I'm really pushing my teams because I think with a really, really robust 5G network with Wi-Fi, I think we can eliminate our hardwired cabling infrastructure by up to 30%. Reduces my power, reduces my cooling, makes my moves, adds, and changes more easier just to be able to connect to the network. So even like a printer that's typically fixed, I can just throw it on 5G. I don't need to have it go back to a port in the IDF room and manage it there. It can be on the 5G network.
And this panel brings together industry leaders from Celona, Conca USA, and Stanford Health Care to discuss real-world implementations and the transformative impact of these modern neutral host networks to enhance productivity, security, sustainability, and user experiences.